Welcome back sa mahal kong mga estudyante. So this topic, I will be teaching you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers that is in fractional form. Well, this tutorial is very useful, particularly to your grade level. Okay? So sometimes we are confused in how to add or subtract or multiply or to divide fraction numbers. Okay? So in addition, or each of the process or operations, meron siyang iba't ibang steps. Okay? So meron siyang mga iba't ibang paraan paano siya computein. Okay, well for here, and this is example 3/5 and 4/6. So first thing we have to do is to identify, okay, or to check first, or to see first the denominator provided in the given problem. Okay, here we have 3/5 and 4/6. So their denominator is 5 and 6. Okay, so for this kind of, since we are here in addition of fraction, well, we have to find first the latest common denominator. Okay, so we cannot easily add 3/5 and by 4/6, but we have to find the least common denominator. What is LCD means? It is least common denominator. Ano yung least common denominator? Well, ang least common denominator, it is a number. Okay, it is a number that is divisible by the provided or by the number. Okay, so it is a number na divisible siya by the denominator in each fractional forms. So sa madaling sabi, ito ay isang number na pwede ma-divide sa 5 at saka pwede ma-divide sa 6. Okay? So, yan ang LCD. Okay, so for 3/5 and also 4/6. Okay, so 5 and 6, these are the denominator. Well, we have to find the LCD. Let us say that their common number is 30. Okay, so 30. Let us say 30. Okay, so pasensya sa pagkaguhit. 30. And the other one is for 6 is 30. This okay, so this must be the same. Why? Para automatic makopya na natin tong or pareho na yung denominator nila. Okay, hindi natin sila pwedeng i-add ng diretsahan na hindi pareho yung kanilang denominator. Okay, here we have already the least common denominator, which is 30. So now what is the next step? Okay, so 30, okay, so this one, so let us change the color. Okay, so 30, okay? Oh, what happened? Sorry. Okay, so 30. Anong gagawin mo dito? So first is, i-divide mo ang 30 sa denominator, which is 5. So 30 divided by 5, it is 6. And then multiply to the numerator. Okay? So multiply to the numerator. So, ganito ang steps niya. Ang denominator or the LCD, kung ano yung LCD niya, i-divide mo siya sa denominator, which is the given number or the given fractional form, which is in the given fractional form. So 5. Okay? So, ang mangyari is 30 divided by 5, then multiplied by the numerator, which is 3. So, 30 divided by 5, it's 6, okay, 6. And then multiplied by 3, that is 18. 6 times 3, that is 18. Okay, 18. 18. Next, so 4 and 6. So 30 divided by 6, which is, that is 5. Okay, 5. And then, okay, so divide mo siya dito. So 30 divided by 6, that is 5. Okay, so 5. So, i-multiply mo siya sa numerator. Okay, 5 times 4, that is 20. Okay, 20. Yan. So, ngayon, we have already the new fractional form, which is 1830 and also 2030. So, what to do next? Okay, so what to do next? So, ito, pwede natin silang i-add diretsa. Kasi meron pareho na kanilang denominator. So, ano ang i-add nila? Ang i-add mo is ang numerator lang kasi pareho na yung denominator nila. So automatic 30 na yung denominator dito. Okay? Okay, 30. Yan. So 18 plus 20. Okay, so 8 plus 0, that is 8. Okay, 8. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3. Okay. So let's have to, to reduce this to the lowest term. Okay? So this is not the final answer yet. Well, we have to reduce this in the lowest term. Okay, so for 38, okay, so shall we say like, okay, so 38 divided by, okay, 38, oh, what happened, sorry, okay, 38 divided by 30, 30, okay, 38 divided by 30, so which is 1 times 30, that is 30, okay, so it's 8. Okay, so magiging 1 and 8 over 30. Okay, so 1 over 8 over 30. So let's try to divide this one to 2. So we have to divide it by 2. So magiging ano na to? 4 over 15. Okay, so ang answer niya is, magiging answer niya is, kopyahin mo lang yung whole number niya, which is 1. And then divide mo siya ng 2. Okay, divide 2. Okay, and also divide 2. Okay, numerator and denominator. Okay, 1. So magiging, ang answer nito is magiging 1, 4, and over 15. So ito na yung lowest term niya. So therefore, ito na yung answer niya. Okay, so this is how you add fraction. Okay, so make sure always to reduce it into lowest term. Okay, so here in this one, if you're asking, we can easily divide, but no, we have to divide first the numerator by the denominator, since numerator here is bigger than the denominator. In this part, so no need to divide 8 by 30. Well, we have to find their common factor, which is 8 or 2 and 2. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4, and 30 divided by 2, that is 15. So you have to copy this whole number. So the answer is 4 over 15. Let's make another example. Okay, so this is how you add fraction. Well, let's try to for the subtraction. Yeah, let's try for subtraction. Okay, so for this one. Okay, so let us delete first. Okay, delete. Okay, delete. Okay, so hindi siya ma-delete. Crap siya dapat. Okay, yan. Okay, so same thing. We have to also find the LCD. Okay, so LCD. Okay. LCD pa rin tayo kahit subtraction. Well, let us say that 1/2 minus 2, okay, 2/3. Okay, so 1/2 minus 2/3. So as we all know that we have to find the least common denominator so that we can divide this. So we cannot easily, no, not divide, but subtract. So we cannot easily subtract. Okay, we cannot easily subtract if they have different denominators. So here, okay, so for here, so what is the least common denominator for 1/2 and 2/3? So I could say that the least common denominator is 6. Okay, and you have to also write here 6. Okay, so here we all know the process that we have to divide the least common denominator to the denominators of the given problem. So here in the upper part, so 6 divided by, okay, 6 divided by 2, that is 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, 3. Here is 3 times 6, that is 2, and then 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay, so it is like they are, you know, unlike signs. Okay, so let's subtract here. So 6 or 3 divided by 4, okay, that will be, okay, 3 divided by 4, or 3 minus 4, sorry, 3 minus 4, that is negative, okay, that will be negative 1. Okay, negative 1. Well, for 6 we have to copy here. So the answer will be, okay, so this is already in a lowest term form, so the answer is negative 1, 6. Okay, I think that's very easy. Okay, the same process. Well, we have to move to multiplication. Okay, so for multiplication, this is easier than earlier. So say for example, multiplication of numbers. So 2/3 times 3/4. Okay, so shall we say like this? So what you're going to do is to multiply the numerator and as well as the denominator. Okay, here. So 3 times 2, that will be 6, and then 4 times 3, that is 12. Okay, so then we have to reduce this to lowest term. So the common factor is 6 and also 6. So 6 divided by 6. Okay, let's change the color. Okay, hold on. Okay, 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So 1. 12 divided by 6, 12 divided by 6 is 2. So therefore, the answer is 1/2. Okay, so this is the answer, 1/2. This is how you multiply fraction. You just easily multiply the numerator and also the denominator. No need to find the LCD. Okay, so LCD is no longer, you know, useful for this operation. Okay, so no need to write or to find the LCD, but you have to easily multiply the numerator and denominator. But for division, okay, for division, say for example, let's have, okay, so let's have 3/4 divided by 2/3. Okay, 2/3. So what you're going to do for this? Okay, so maybe you will be confused how this works. But you know, as the law of, you know, division of fraction, you have to reciprocate the divisor. Okay, so this is the divisor. Okay, let's change the color. Let's try for another color. Okay, so this is the divisor. Okay, let's rewrite. Okay, so that will be 3/4 Okay, 3/4, and then multiply. So the operation, if you're going to reciprocal or reciprocate the divisor, so the operation will be changed into multiplication. Okay, so instead of 2/3, that will be 3/2. Okay, but others are not doing reciprocal, but they are just easily having cross multiply instead. So now we have our operation is already changed. Instead of division, it's already multiplication. Why? Because we have to reciprocate the divisor. Okay, so now we can easily multiply the numerator and also denominator. So 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay, and then 2 times 4, that is 8. Are we going to reduce this to lowest term? Yes, we can. So we have to divide 9 by 8. Okay, 9 by 8. So 9 divided by 8, that is 1, then 8, and then 1. Okay, so the answer is or instead. So or 1 and 1/8. Okay, this is the correct answer, or this is the final answer. Okay, so I think this is very clear for you, and if you want to have a more tutorial for this channel, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel, and also to press the notification bell for you to be notified for my next videos. Okay, so as of now, so I will be stop here, and later in my next video I will be teaching also the rule of exponents. Okay, so the exponential rules, that will be my next video. But anyway, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can help also to the students who are learning in mathematics. And that's for now, and have a nice day. Babush.